I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades. I'll work through every single exercise and explain everything you need to know. You can access information about the books I have available to help you on my website. Go to sharonbill.com. For advert-free and longer lessons, you can become a patron at patreon.com/SharonBill. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. You can support this channel by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/SharonBill. We continue with practice exam paper in the Grade 2 Discovering Music Theory workbook. We are on page 56, beginning with section 6, terms and signs. Do remember that these will include any of the performance directions from grades 1 and 2 combined, so this will just give a little bit of revision. So I suggest you just go ahead and have a go of these. If you get it wrong, well, don't worry, you will learn by your mistakes. It's just a case of doing some revision. So we have two words here and we need to properly give the definition. Don't get sidetracked with the multiple choice. That sometimes gives a bit of a red herring and throw you off course. Give the definition, then choose the answer. So none is kind of not, that's easily remembered, and troppo is too much. Sometimes it says man on troppo, but not too much. And so here, not too much is the proper definition of these linking words. Cantabile revisits a grade 1 term, which means in a singing style. Cant is the kind of word for voice, singing. And then here. Now these are the sort of like the progression from staccato. We did staccato in grade 1, and now these little wedges mean staccatissimo, super staccato. MF reverts back to the grade 1 dynamic terms. We know that F is forte, which means loud. M is mezzo, which is sort of middle or moderately. Just watch out, don't get thrown off here. We want moderately loud, mezzo forte. And then lento is a tempo direction, and it means slow. Not very slow, just slow. And so that's that section completed. And I suggest we move straight on to the final section where we get some music in context. And then we're going to have some little questions relating back to this little piece of music here. So let's go straight on and answer these. So is it true or false that all the notes of the tonic triad of E flat major can be found in bar 2? So before we go looking, let's think what we're looking for. A tonic triad is built of the first, the third and the fifth. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E, F, G, A, B. And of course E flat major has a key signature of B flats, E flats and A flats. So we must have a B flat and an E flat there. So in bar 2, have we got an E flat? Bear in mind we have a key signature of B flats, E flats and A flats, so all of the flats will be there for us. So we have an E flat here and here. So that's the first of the tonic triad. We have, do we have a G? We have a G, and then we have a B flat. So E flat, G, B flat, E flat. So we've got the whole lot. So that's true. Now we need to show which bar has a pause. That's from grade 1, that's the fermata pause sign. That's what we're looking for, and we can see that in bar 6. So there we go. Now then we need to complete the following 3 sentences. which is the lowest note in the melody. So we're in the treble clef. So visually, let's just find the lowest. So that's the lowest. So here, if that's middle C, one below middle C is B. However, don't forget we've got the key signature, we've got B flat there. So don't forget the key signature. And so that will nicely answer that. There's B flat. Which is the shortest note? So what have we got? We've got quavers. We've got semiquavers here. And so the shortest note are the semiquavers to be found in bar 3. And where can we find a dotted minim? So a minim is the 2-beat note and a dot after it makes it 3 beats long. Where do we find this longest note? And it's here in bar 8. And that's that page completed, that's that question completed, that's the exam completed, that's the whole book completed. Well done, that's absolutely the end of this grade 2 Discovering Music Theory workbook. I hope that you've managed to work through those as a revision exercise, just testing everything you know. Anything that you feel like you've got wrong, then by all means do go back and give some extra work to those topics that might have been the weakest. I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and for advert-free lessons, you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.